Okay, welcome back, guys. And we're gonna look at these engines also. Now, once again, big muscle way here on the go, on the hustle. This is the NASA's Saturn F1 engine. Okay, and those are the speculations about it. Now, let's slowly scroll down so you can read, get the information. These are the specifications. Now, the key thing to do here is look at the specifications so you can know what this engine was capable of doing. Okay. And that's a somewhat close look at the engine. Now we're going to go around the engine. Feed. Make sure you get all the feed you deserve. Yeah, it's a very huge engine, massive engine. Sign that says please do not climb. This is it. Alright, so catch me in the next video. Big muscle, I'm out. Subscribe, hit the like button. Let's go.